Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking one email account as your primary photo store. Make sure it has enough space and attachment limits you accept. Next, resize or compress images so each attachment fits limits. This speeds uploads and saves quota. Create a clear folder or label called Photos EI and compose a new message to yourself or a backup address. Attach the prepared photos, add descriptive subject text, and send. Once done, mark or move the sent message into the Photos EI folder for immediate organization. Now you build structure. Name messages with date and keyword so subject lines become quick search terms. When you have many images, zip them into one archive. This bypasses per message limits and keeps threads tidy. Then set up email filters or rules that auto-label, star, or move incoming photo messages into your Photos EI folder, so future uploads skip manual filing. Make sure to include readable file names inside archives, because you'll rely on search and consistency when you need a specific image later. Finish by verifying at least one photo per batch downloads and opens. This confirms the storage workflow worked. Next, schedule periodic exports. Forward key photo threads to a cloud service or download to an external drive so you have redundancy. If you encounter issues, attachment failures, corrupt files, or size errors, retry sending smaller files, split archives, or instead upload to cloud and paste a secure share link into an email. This troubleshooting step prevents data loss and keeps your photo archive reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.